We get a lot of questions regarding the pop-top roofs that we install on our camper vans. We've made this quick guide to see if we can answer some of those most common questions that you have. For those that don't know, this is what we would call a pop-top roof. Here at Platinum Wave Automotive, we do two types of canvases for our roofs. One of them is a standard canvas, the other one is a scenic canvas. Here is a standard canvas. What you need to do is simply undo the straps at the front of the van. There are two, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. Once these are open, the hydraulic gas struts do the rest of the work for you. Once the pop top is up, I can then push my pop top bedboard to give myself the needed space inside the van so I can stand. As I mentioned earlier, there are two types of canvases that we install on our vans. This is a scenic canvas, and I'd like to demonstrate to you how you open the canvas. As you can see with the scenic canvas, this unzips all the way around, which is perfect during the warm months, or if you just want to enjoy the view, then this is the perfect canvas for you. Here at Platinum Wave Automotive, we get asked quite commonly, how do I get up into my pop-top roof in the camper van? And today I'd like to demonstrate how to do that. With our vans, it either comes with a double bench or a single passenger seat. All of our seats swivel, which gives you the benefit to be able to stand on it and climb up with ease. All you need to do is stand on top and then a little lift up into the bedboard. That's how easy it is. Another common question we get here at Platinum Wave is, can I drive my van with a pop-top roof up? Quite simply put, the answer would be no, unfortunately. This is because the pop-top roofs aren't designed to drive at speed. Doing so can cause the mechanisms and the gas struts to fail. I would strongly suggest pulling the pop-top down when moving the van or driving. It's really important that you pull the canvas in on both sides of the van and at the front. This is to ensure that you don't scuff or scratch or rip your canvas. Once you've tucked in the canvas, pull the straps tight on the driver's side and then the same on the passenger side. One of the final top 3 questions we get here at Platinum Wave Automotive is how to treat the canvas on your pop-top roof. You can simply use one of the products that you see here. This is a Fab Seal Gold. This is really good for waterproofing the canvas. Or you can buy a tent gear care kit, which again is also really good for cleaning and waterproofing. Here at Platinum Wave, we also offer a habitation service, which will include a canvas cleaning kit and waterproofing treatment. It's really important that you do this every 6 months. It just means you'll get no water ingress coming through the tent or the canvas. If you have any questions regarding the video that you've seen today, then please contact us here at Platinum Wave Automotive. We'll be happy to help.